Run as administrator grayed out on shortcut. I have a shortcut to a program that only works when run as administrator, but in the shortcut's advanced options always run as administrator is grayed out. I've looked at the other similar questions but none apply to my issue. UAC is enabled. I am an administrator and I have no idea how to run it in CMD.
You may be able to use the Run as Administrator available on the Compatibility tab. One way third-party way would be with NurCMD. This URL.
It works if you add the executable to the shortcut target. For example, right-click on the shortcut and change the target from c:\scripts\helloworld.js to script.exe:\scripts\helloworld.js or script.exe:\scripts\helloworld.js. Then the Run as Administrator checkbox is activated in Properties. E.g., for a Python script to add in the target field, c:\python36:python.exe:\users\python.exe:\test.py. For PowerShell script to add this in the target, PowerShell.exe command in AMP, c:\apath with spaces /myscript.ps1. If you want to also pass some args, see this. Don't forget to check the Run as admin after. All the glory to Ramesh Srinivasan.
It seems as though the Run as Administrator context menu option and or shortcut checkbox are unavailable for batch files/scripts. This was answered for PowerShell here, how to run script as administrator. I don't have an answer yet for running a common batch file.
This seems to happen with file types Windows doesn't recognize /trust. But I just found a simple solution for this. Make a shortcut to cmd.exe, c:\windows/system32\cmd.exe, and replace the target field with this. Now you should be able to enable the Run as Administrator on the Advanced tab. Caveats. On Windows 10, running as administrator seems to have a different set of network drives. Try to use absolute UNC paths rather than mapped drives. If you need to pass parameters, please check here. For some documentation for the start command. Why do we use start instead of just opening it with cmd.exe? If you just run the file using a shortcut to cmd.exe/cc:\path\your.file, you're stuck with an empty black window open so long as your program is running. How does using start work around this? It starts a CMD instance with a /c flag which closes it after its command finishes running. It then runs start, which is a native command in cmd.exe that opens a program in a new window. The way the start command works, if it's not an executable, the launch gets passed up to Windows, which then opens it using the associated program for that file type. Once the launch is started, the start command ends, which then lets the cmd.exe window close.
E se você support este canal, leve considere subscrever.